Hello kids! Welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting. Nouns, singular and plural nouns. So are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Let's first understand what singular and plural nouns are. Singular nouns refer to one person, animal, thing or place. For example, boy, one boy, apple, one apple, book, one book, dog, one dog, city, one city. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, animal, thing or place. For example, boys, more than one boy, apples, more than one apple, books, more than one book, dogs, more than one dog, cities, more than one city. When we make nouns plural, we usually add s to the singular noun, but sometimes we follow special rules. Let's explore these. Activity. Now, I will say a word and you tell me if it's singular or plural. Dog, singular. Boys, plural. Apple, singular. Books, plural. Child, singular. Children, plural. Say them again with me. Dog, singular. Boys, plural. Apple, singular. Books, plural. Great work! Let's look at some rules for making plural nouns. Add s for most nouns. Examples: book, books, chair, chairs, pen, pens. If the noun ends in s, x, ch, sh or z, add es. Examples: box, boxes, church, churches, wish, wishes, buzz, buzzes. If the noun ends in y and there is a consonant before the y, change the y to ies. Examples: baby, babies, city, cities. If the noun ends in f or fe, we usually change f to ves. Examples: knife, knives, leaf, leaves. These rules help us make nouns plural correctly. Let's practice with some words now. Activity. Let's practice turning singular nouns into plural. Box, boxes, church, churches, baby, babies, leaf, leaves, knife, knives. Great job! Keep practicing. Some nouns change in a special way when they become plural. Let's look at them. Man, men, woman, women, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Some nouns don't change at all. They look the same in both singular and plural forms. Examples: deer, singular and plural. Fish, singular and plural. So, some nouns follow rules while others are special and don't change. Let's practice these. Activity. I'll say a word and you tell me the plural form. Man, men, woman, women, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, child, children. Amazing! You're doing great! Let's look at a few more examples of plural nouns. Some nouns end in s, es, ies or vs, like we saw earlier. Let's check out some more examples. Class, classes, bus, buses, family, families, baby, babies, story, stories. For some nouns, we don't add anything to the singular form. It stays the same in both singular and plural. Fish, deer, sheep. Let's do one more quick activity to make sure we know these plural forms. Challenge. I'll say a word and you say the plural form. Class, classes, bus, buses, family, families, story, stories, fish, fish. You're amazing! Keep up the good work! Let's quickly revise what we learned today. Singular nouns refer to one person, animal, thing or place. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, animal, thing or place. We add s or es to make most nouns plural. Some nouns change their spelling like man, men or woman, women. Some nouns stay the same like fish and deer. Well done kids! You've learned a lot about singular and plural nouns today. Clap. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye kids. Thanks for watching.